good afternoon or morning or whatever it is which you're watching this. We're gonna do an unboxing of the blue box. Boom! 4imprint sends these blue boxes and they come with like random surprises of goodies, and we are gonna create a 4imprint unboxing of the blue box because we get these all the time. So let's see what's in this beast. It says something on it. It says something combo. NOTA, notable combo. Okay. We have a catalog. It's got some good stuff in it. We have another kind of catalog. Some stuff in it. We have t-shirt. Oh, I see. Sun care, trade show. We got a t-shirt catalog. Featured items catalog. Baseball caps and visors. Ooh, Nike. I like Nike. Nike catalog. Ha ha ha! Check it out. Ah! Okay. Oh, look at this. We got like a notebook. Oh, you put your business card in it. I don't have a business card, but you can put your business card in it. That's awesome. And then we got matches. Oh, snap. We got sunscreen. So, there we go. That is our May blue box. And hopefully we'll get a June blue box. And we will show you what's inside our June blue box.